For protection without bulk, the CASETiFY impact case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra strikes an impressive balance. Despite its slim profile, this case delivers surprisingly robust drop protection that can handle serious impacts. While it might not match the tank-like durability of an OtterBox Defender, it offers more than enough protection for most users' daily needs. What really sets this case apart is its vast array of design options. CASETiFY offers an almost overwhelming selection of prints and patterns, letting you personalize your phone's look exactly how you want it. Whether you prefer subtle sophistication or bold artistic statements, there's likely a design that matches your style. For those invested in the magnetic accessory ecosystem, you can add MagSafe compatibility for a few extra dollars, a worthwhile upgrade if you use wireless charging or magnetic accessories. The case's construction quality is top-notch, with precise cutouts for all ports and buttons. The slightly raised edges around the screen and camera provide extra protection for these vulnerable areas, without making the phone feel unwieldy. The sides offer good grip without being too aggressive, which is especially important for a phone as large as the S25 Ultra. The main drawback is the price point. This case sits at the premium end of the market. While the quality justifies the cost, you'll want to be sure you're choosing a design you'll be happy with long-term, as switching cases frequently at this price point could get expensive. However, if you're looking for a protective case that doesn't compromise on style, the CASETiFY Impact case is a compelling option that's worth the investment.